a trunk. Look
Oh,
at that.
hang on a minute. Let me just clear my screen. There, look at that. See?
Right, supersonic, isn't it?
See what shots we can get.
Right, go on then. Carry on.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Oh yeah, I'll tell them if you can afford it and you've got time to do it, do it.
Right. Yes, thank you. Come on then, let's go walking. Let's go walking, yeah. Come on then. Down to the pier we're going. You're in charge. Right, okay. Black, isn't it? Yeah, it is. No laughing.
You know, mate, I'll never laugh.
All right, hello everyone. We're here with Mum today. There's Mum. Say hello.
Hello.
And she said something really interesting the other day, and I said, would you like to make a film? And she said yes, very much she would. So I'm just about to explain to her exactly who you are. Yep, the red spot.
Yeah.
So I'll look at that, Mum, but I'm talking to you, all right? What this is we're recording this so that you can tell everybody in the world on the internet about your stories,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
Because I think stories are really important. Do you?
Yes. I've got a secret I mustn't tell in a Winkle.
The other day I was out in the garden with Mum, and what I want to do is for her to tell you the stories, and I say you, that's the people that are watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, her to tell you the stories that she was telling me. I said, would you like to share that with on the internet? We make a little film. And she said yeah. She doesn't use the internet or even a mobile phone, so you don't fully get it, but you got an idea what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Roughly,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
What I don't want to do is try and put words in Mum's mouth, but also I might need to prompt her because of memory. So if you could go back to one place that you've been, well, not necessarily you've been to, if you could go one place, where would you go?
Scotland.
Well, okay. That's the end of my theory there. You said Egypt the other day.
Oh, did I?
You did say Egypt, so yeah, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So why did you say Scotland?
Oh, because I liked it up there. I think I went up there with Eve, if I remember rightly.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, and we had a nice time up there. It was nice.
Yeah, especially this time of year, it's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the autumn when all the leaves are changing on the trees and things.
That's it, yeah.
But I thought it might be quite nice for you because you're of a, shall we say, slightly older generation. I thought
Yeah.
it might be quite nice for you to tell people the benefit of your experience of all your holidays and all your travels and things that you've done
Yeah.
over the years, because a lot of people that watch these sorts of things with me, that's what they try and find out. What's a really good hotel, or where's the places that's really interesting and stuff like that.
Right, yeah.
So where do you want to start, Mum? Do you want to start at the beginning, like when you was a little girl? What sort of holidays and things did you used to have? Because obviously it was wartime, wasn't it? So Mum was born in 1939,
Yeah.
and then the war obviously broke out.
I don't think we had holidays then.
No?
No, I don't recall any.
No.
I remember getting, you know, when the air raid used to go and we used to have to get down the shelter, because we had a shelter in the garden, but we also had like a metal table,
All right.
but we could get under that. if we-
Indoors?
Yeah, indoors. So if when it gone off, you know, the siren, and we thought we wouldn't have time to get down the shelter in the garden, that's where we used to go, under the table.
That must be scary as well,
Yeah.
especially if you've remembered it and you were just a little girl.
And I remember falling off that bloody table.
Not nice, not nice.
No.
All right, so what about when we were kids? Do you remember about what we used to do in the way for holidays when we were little?
No,
Me and
I
Steph?
don't.
No?
No.
Well, we used to go down to Westbrook, didn't we?
Yeah, I remember Westbrook, yeah.
So sometimes we would hire out a beach hut,
That's it.
take all the stuff down there in Dad's car
Oh, yeah.
for the week, and then we would come back home every night, wouldn't we? So
Yeah.
we'd have like a week down there, but we'd get the nice weather and we'd just drive down there, about 50 minutes away, isn't it, in the
That's
car?
it, yeah.
And then at the end of it, we'd get all the stuff out of the beach hut, back in the car, and then come back home again. I remember our first abroad holiday to the south of France.
Oh, right, yeah.
And I think that was the first time that I'd ever been abroad, like other than like a day trip. And then the following year we went to Spain and we flew. That was the first time I flew. That was when I was 12. So what else did you and Dad do that you can remember? What about your cruises?
Oh, yeah, I liked them. Yeah, that was nice.
What was that where you saw the midnight sun?
Country Norway. Yeah.
Yeah. So what was the midnight sun then?
Well, because the sun was there,
Yeah.
and then at midnight, I mean, it's very clever, it just used to disappear. But we all used to go out, you know,
Yeah.
wait for it.
And the other day I said to you, if there's one place you could go, you said Egypt.
Yeah.
And I said, well, that's quite ironic because there's a whole story about Mum saying to Dad, I'm not going to a bloody country like that. Remember?
Yeah.
And then so me and Dad and Jasmine went,
Right.
and Dad did all the filming, didn't he? Do you remember? He used
that's
to bring
it.
all the films home, like really, really slowly to create these films.
Yeah.
Took it home to Mum and he went, you would love it. And then what did you say to that? He said, right, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, right, okay.
So the following year, you and Dad went.
Yeah.
And then you used to go there for a month at a time, didn't you?
Oh, I don't remember that, though.
Yeah, year after year. And you went there all
Nice.
over Christmas.
Blimey.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what did you like about Egypt?
I don't know. It was just a nice, friendly country, I think. You
Yeah.
know, everybody was nice, and all makes part of your holiday when you get things like that, and it's all nice.
It does. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think makes a nice holiday then?
Nice sunshine. You
Right.
need the sunshine, and just nice people, really.
Mm.
You know, you get your sunshine, you get your nice people,
Mm.
and yeah, we used to love it.
So if you was talking to somebody
Yeah.
like in their 20s who was watching this and you could give a bit of wisdom about travelling and seeing the world and all of that, is there anything that you think that you would say? Like if you was 20 again and the world was as it is now, go and travel the world and see all the different places.
Oh yeah, I'd tell them if you can afford it and you've got time to do it, do it.
Yeah.
You know, you're only here once, aren't you? Yeah, you've got to make the most of every minute of your life, Lou.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think as well, travelling now is a lot cheaper than it used to be. Like when we were kids, it was only for the rich people.
Oh right. Yeah.
Whereas now you can get really, really good bargains and you can go away really cheap. And
Yeah.
what about when you went to see the tulips in Amsterdam?
Oh, that was something else. Because you think you can imagine it,
Yeah.
but you can't.
No,
You know. But when you get there, it takes your breath away, Lou.
because you said I should go, didn't you? Go and have a
It's
look
so
at it.
pretty. It really is. It's lovely.
Mm. So what about timeshare? Do you remember about your timeshare?
Timeshare, yeah. Yeah.
That's a not very impressed face.
No, it was all right, but you know, I think we could have spent money elsewhere than timeshare, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, you learn by your mistakes sometimes, don't you?
Yeah, and I think as well, when you and Dad bought that timeshare, that was in the days before the all-inclusives. And I think where you go at certain times, like obviously if people have got kids and they've got to go on school holidays, they're a bit stuck.
Yeah,
It's going to be expensive. But if you can go like in December and January
that's it.
and you get an all-inclusive deal, you could go goodness knows how many times over compared to your timeshare,
Yeah,
couldn't you?
yeah.
But you ended up losing quite a lot of thousands of pounds, didn't you, with
Yeah,
that,
we
giving
did,
that
yeah.
back. Now, I want to quickly ask you, and I don't know if you'll remember this, your very last time with Dad in Egypt
Yeah.
was when you had to come home early. You had to come home without all of your luggage,
What?
and the RAF brought your luggage home,
Right.
and they knocked on the door. The man from the services from the Royal Air Force knocked on the door with your luggage like a week later or something.
Yeah.
And it was all in a rush because there'd been a security thing gone on in Egypt.
All right.
And you told me that because you didn't see the news or anything, you didn't know what was going on, but you said you'd stand out on your balcony in your apartment and you'd see across the sea all of these like jet things going past. Do you remember any of that?
I remember that.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because they did not make a noise.
Yeah, I'll bet.
So it was low down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you said to me you was thinking, oh, what's that? And they said to you and Dad, you're going to have to leave on this plane on tomorrow, whenever it was.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're on your own. Do you remember that?
No, I don't remember that.
Yeah. And when you came home, you had no idea what it was all about. But that's when they shut Egypt down and we couldn't go to Egypt for years.
Oh, right.
Yeah, they stopped all the planes going out there. But yeah, so Mum and Dad were actually on that last plane coming back from Egypt before all that happened. That must have been 2015 then. So, and I tell you what, quite grateful really, because that was yours and Dad's last holiday. And that was only probably about 4 or 5 weeks before he died.
Oh, crikey.
So we got a lovely picture of him paddling in the Red Sea with his hands behind his back, looking in the sea.
Yeah.
And that was what we had on the back of his order of service.
Oh, right.
Because it was his happy place, wasn't it?
Yeah,
he loved it there.
Loved it, didn't he? Yeah.
Really loved it there. I think because they make a fuss of you, don't they?
Oh, they do, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Is there anywhere in the world that you haven't been to that you wish you could have gone to?
Yeah, probably New Zealand, that way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Australia?
Australia, that's what I'm trying to get out, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that area I'd like to see.
What would you have liked to have seen there?
I don't know, really, just to see what it's like.
You hear a lot about it, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
So what about your memories from all your holidays then? Sort of now that you're obviously poorly.
Yeah.
Is that something you ever sit there and think about?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah. But, you know, good job I did it when I did.
Yeah, exactly.
You know.
Yeah, that's a good message.
Look at that lady's hair.
It's long, isn't it?
God, blimey, that'd drive me up the wall. Oh, and here comes Nan with the baby.
I don't think that's a nan.
Oh, don't
I think that's a
I'm
mum.
Sorry.
Yeah, she looks about 20.
Oh, right.
That's all right. About your memories and where you're sitting there now thinking about all the things that you've done
Yeah.
and you're glad that you've done it when you could, so that you've got your memories. I don't know, keeps you going when you're sitting there. You've got to think about all them nice things that you've done.
Yeah, yeah.
Like grateful for, sort
Gives
of thing.
me something to think about.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Mum, for sharing all of that
That's all
wisdom.
right. Anytime.
Anything else you want to tell the world?
Yeah.
And she's had some good times, haven't you?
I have had some good times. Yeah.
Been quite naughty as well.
Oh, yeah. Could not be naughty, could
No.
I?
All right, we can say bye like that. Say bye.
Bye, everybody.
Jingle jangle. In the sunshine. How's it feel, Mother?
Lovely.
Oh, we've had some pretty flowers, haven't we? Room not ready, is it?
No, room's
We're
not
gonna go and have
ready.
something to drink, haven't we?
Right place this is, ain't coming back.
Might have to separate them a bit more with your snoring. Yeah. Oh no, we have to put the thing in. We have to put the key in there. Shower cap, so you won't get your hair wet.
Yeah,
nice
right.
big sink, look.
Yeah, that's nice.
The internet on your phone. Hello everybody. Are you having a nice time? Having a lovely holiday here, all in the sunshine. That's nice. Let's show them the sky.
Yeah, lovely.
Are you alright?
Here we are, and we, Mum.
Yeah, we're here.
Where are we?
I don't know, I forgot.
Alcudia
That's it.
Cathedral.
Alcudia Cathedral.
Pretty in there, wasn't it?
Very nice.
Very nice. Market down there. Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think of the show so far?
Rubbish.
Rubbish. It's a very nice picture. Smile. Wave at the camera. It's a video, really. I'm just out the shower.
Good afternoon. Oh no, it's evening.
You're funny. You make me laugh. I tell you what, okay? Clever, isn't it, Mum? And there we are, look, across our balcony.
changed. Just since
Alla
we've been out
balcona.
here.
Alla balcona. Is that how you say it? On the balcony in Spanish?
I wouldn't know.
Alla balcona. My hair's gone really blonde, hasn't it?
Just.
Well, here. Oh, this is a good picture. No, it's well in there. Right, picture. Ready, smile. Right, what you got? Video now, Mum. What have I got? Got some schnapps. Yeah. Cheers.
Very nice, very strong.
It's not mouthwash, is it?
Gonna hit the brain boxes.
Try it. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
It reminds me of what I used to get at the first aid bit when I used to get my bad period pains.
I think it tastes like ouzo or sambuca.
Ah, yeah.
Sambuca.
Sambuca, that's
I
it.
used to drink Sambuca when you had to
Well, no, I didn't, but
in 1903. So tell us how your holiday is, Mum.
great, fantastic.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Want longer, but mustn't be greedy.
Sensation or something, or where they've washed them.
Bit wet. It's a bit early though, Mum, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true.
So what do you reckon today's going to be like then?
Lovely. Only a few wispy clouds. Look.
Yeah, lovely. Me and Mother are on
Is
the
it
beach.
Still morning, yeah, it's still morning.
Going to be a hot one, isn't it?
Not for much longer.
1, 2, 3. It's all blowing. Mother. Here comes our hombre, lovely maitre d'. And Mum's boyfriend is the man sat with Right, ready? Oh, my mum's filming for the first time on her iPhone. Cheers. Not a flicker. Look at that.
Low it, isn't it, really?
What is?
The sky. No, I mean,
What are you, Patrick Moore?
all these lights here, see, they're no good to see the stars,
The
are
sky at night.
they?
Yeah.
There's moon up there.
I can't focus on the moon. Where is it? Round there.
Your hands
at
are
you.
cold.
No, no.
Yeah.
Cold hands, warm heart.
That's right.
Go on.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How the devil are we today?
Are we taking off?
Yes, we are. We're on the move. Here we go.
Oh, we are.
Look at that.
Today